Appreciate it here on CNBC TV18. The Nifty up on your screen will end about 24 points lower. The bigger cut, of course, in the Nifty Bank, which ends, I think, about 0.7, 0.8% down. Despite, of course, HDFC Bank trying to cheer things up. That stock ends about 1.5% higher. But everything else was down there. Bajaj Finance, ICICI Bank, Axis, IndusInd, Shriram Finance, everything in the the Nifty financial space was down and out. Auto stocks were down as well. There was Tata Motors and Bajaj Auto, which saw a bit of a pullback as well. There were names like Bharti, etc., which were under pressure. So some profit booking continuing in telecom. Guys.
Okay, let's run through some of the big gainers then. L&T tops the chart today, 2.7% up. IT continues to see buying. So Wipro saw a few upgrades. Wipro was up close to about 2%. And then you had a Tata Consumer, a Coal India, Hindalco, Cipla, across various other sectors.
Okay, mid-caps a day of cool-off. The index has ended with a cut of about 430 points. So where did the money come off the table? Well, for one, a lot of the market infrastructure institutions, particularly brokers, who might get hit with the new norms coming in from SEBI in terms of the transaction charges. Angel One down 8.5%. Actually, even the others, Motilal was down 4%, MK was down about 4.5%. BSE itself has lost about 3% So some,
IIFL Securities was down. There's a broker called Share India, which is also listed.
Yeah.
But they're big prop sort of traders.
So big volumes.
Big volumes. That was also, I think, down about 6%.
Yeah. So I guess the market intelligence right now saying that brokers with bigger volumes, which were earlier getting a lot of discounts from maybe some of the exchanges, perhaps that'll have to change, and therefore that was showing up in stock prices. Aside of this, the other key losers today, for instance, Chola Finance was down quite a bit. Century Ply lost 3.5%. So these were the names. Subros lost about 4.5%. But then having said that, you also have the gainers. Obviously, on the other side of the screen, today's listing, Allied Blenders did well, 13% higher. And the paper stocks really up in a way. Something really causing a flutter over here. So, for instance, Andhra Paper, West Coast Paper Mills, Malu Paper Mills, 5 to 7-8%, depending on which one you're picking up. Overall, a pretty mixed bag for the mid-cap market. Headline index ending absolutely flat with about an 18-point dip on the Nifty. And with that, we're out of time on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you very much for watching. Do stay tuned. Markets Forward will take all the action ahead.